Hello everyone, welcome to Sankalp Learning Solution. Dot situation in this topic, see the question number 3. From amongst the figure marked 1, 2, 3, 4, select the figure which satisfies the same conditions of placement of the dots as in the figure X. Okay, see the figure X. So first dot, consider this dot. So this dot is inside the shape circle, triangle, and square. Okay, so consider this second dot. So this dot is inside the rectangle, rectangle only. Okay, so find the option here. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎರಡು ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ ಸ್ಯಾಟಿಸ್ಫೈ ಆಗುವಂತ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಅನ್ನ ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ, ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ, ಸರ್ಕಲ್ ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸರ್ಕಲ್ ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್. ಸೊ ಸರ್ಕಲ್ ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್. ಸೊ circle, so this is square, this is rectangle. So circle, triangle, this is rectangle, I think. So this is wrong. Here option 2, so circle, circle, triangle, square. So the first condition satisfy ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ, rectangle. So second condition ಕೂಡ satisfy ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. So here 2 is the right answer. Okay, thank you.